What's good, chat? What's good? What's good? What's good? What's good, chat? How y'all doing this morning? 9:30. The opening bell has opened. Let's get right into it. We ain't gonna waste no time today, chat. We're not gonna waste no time. What's good, my boy? What's good, Utmost, bro? How everybody doing? Y'all can hear me, right? Screen cool. Everything cool. Okay. So, this is what I'm looking at, chat. I'm thinking price could trade up into this weekly. This could be the next draw on liquidity right here. Price could trade up into that. Um, we got these smooth highs right here as well. That price could want to take. They don't gotta take those, but so far I believe if price can close above this daily Sibby, price should be able to get up there. Great, great. What's good, bro? Hey man, what's good? How y'all doing? How y'all doing? Yeah, so this is that weekly bearish fair value gap. This is my draw. I mean, if we close above this here. So let's see. We got the change in the we got this change in the state. We got the change in the state. We got the change in the state of delivery here on the 4 hour, as you can see. Consecutive down closed candles. Price doesn't take this low, but on ES we took the low, as you can see here, and then we have the change of the state of delivery here. So this may potentially be a target. Buy side there. What else? Okay. We have this is the new day opening gap here, or new week opening gap. Kind of small, but they see how they use it as support here to take price higher. So let me mark this out really quick. The open's at 825. We got the 8:30 open. We got the midnight open at 12 a.m. Like I said, if we can close above this daily bearish fair value gap that we're trading inside right now, then I would entice, like, we're going long to that weekly fair value gap. So we have the midnight open. Open the range gap, consequent encroachment is there. That's the open range gap. The consequent encroachment of that level is here. Take this off. Open the range gap there. Alright, let me go down to the 1 minute now. I feel like I got everything I need. Am I missing anything? We got, so we swept the buy side here. Minor buy side there. That was the low, that was 3:45 p.m. high. Okay. Then we had the SMT at the lows, right? SMT at the lows. Yep. There. So we got the SMT here. We got this whole entire order block holding up on the 15-minute. 69875. 69875. You got the 15-minute order block. We got this whole entire gap they're using. So let's see. Opening range gap. The low is here. Okay. Just swept that buy side level. So everything good. Make sure it ain't too. There we go. Alright, we swept that level now. We traded above that. Okay, cool. Okay, cool. We also got, this is the first fair value gap there. I wonder how they use that throughout the week. First fair value gap. I'll make that a different color. Let's go yellow. Actually, no, let's go gray. All right. This is the low at 830 there. We swept that. I wonder, did we sweep that low on ES? Yes, we did the same thing. Okay. Now let's see, chat. Let's see, chat. Let's see. Matter of fact, this is what I'm gonna do here. Let me go to the higher time frame. Gotta take that off. There we go. In the higher time frame, let's do this. So we're above that gap there. We're above it. That's what I like to see. I want to make this like a light color, like that there. We'll make this purple, just like that. So like I said, chat, my draw for the week is here. They could trade back into this new day opening gap as well. That could be a draw on liquidity for price as well. The new day opening gap from Friday, but we'll see, chat. Finally took out that high from Wednesday. So what the 30 minutes looking like. 30 minute we got. Yeah, this looks clean as hell. I'm not gonna lie. This looks like some clean price action. So now we just wait for our model and then execute on that from there. You're gonna see. got this high, this swing high here. That high at 19.943 and 2/4. You got that swing high. We also got this one here. So there we go. So I got these levels on my chart I'm looking at to see if price wants to reach there. If we can get there, it'd be nice. I'll do this one instead, since this one is in close proximity to it there, and then we got the equal highs right here, which lines up with the new day opening gap, which aligns up with that weekly fair value gap. So these are the 3 levels I'm watching personally. So we'll see. Get rid of that there. Yeah. Anything on the 5-minute I'm missing? Changing the state of delivery there on the 5-minute here. We'll see, we'll see. Let's see, hold on, let's see, 19C. This is a crazy expansion. This is kind of decent. Got the 1 hour change, 4 hour change in the state there. Clear that up. Trade, got the liquidity. Okay, we're inside this here. Anyways, let me see what the chat said. Okay. What y'all thinking today, chat? Y'all think we go lower or higher today? What y'all thinking? Bullish or bearish, chat? Y'all agree with this analysis or no? $9.45. Still inside that opening range. So the macro's coming in as well. You got this order block here. So realistically, price can have a retracement, but price shouldn't trade below here. If I want to see price go higher. Price shouldn't trade below these consecutive down close candles low. We shouldn't, at least. So we'll see what they want to do. after taking out the buy side. We also got this as well here. So if price trades below that, that'll be a change in the state of delivery after taking the buy side. So buy side, then we have a change in the state if it does come lower than just on this chart for the time being. Then we'll see. But there ain't really nothing I would take right now, or would even want to take. Market looks bullish. Okay. I definitely agree with that. So we'll see. I did not take trade either. Okay. I'm thinking we're not rushing facts. Facts, of course. I'm thinking it depends on what time this happens, but price breaks below this here. That'll be a change in state. You could go a little short there, and it just depends how. Cause this was kind of like a at the 9:30 opening bell. Look how much we expanded. 150, 160 points basically. So I wouldn't mind seeing them bring this down. Like I said, this is the order block here, but they could bring it down into this level a little bit more. I mean, to this candle. Maybe target this as a draw, maybe, or the consequent encroachment of this gap here. They could bring it down into that and then take it higher. So as you can see, we have the change in the state of delivery there. So if price comes back up, if this closes, price comes back up, I'm not advocating to take a short, but that could be a potential setup as well. We'll have to see. Yeah, so you see how we did that as well. So I'm liking that on ES a lot. Yeah, I did not. Yeah, facts. I definitely agree. So see how we tap that 15-minute order block. We got the macro coming in 1 minute. Took quick short at the top. Okay. Remember, I would be looking to take profits here soon if I were you. Amen. This could be a target right here. This buy side, this fair value gap, this bullish fair value gap, this high, or inside the gap we're in now. Right now, you could take some off. Take some off. Or you could take, or if you trust that it'll get there, I would kill the position here. I would kill it there. And if you're just really confident, the price to value gap can be a draw. I'm looking for this to act as support for the most part, but we'll see. So that was clicked. That was delivered perfectly. Took small profit. Good shit, bro. See, this was delivered perfectly here. So realistically, there wasn't, on the 1 minute at least. Let me check the 30-second. Okay, on the 30-second, we have to change the state of delivery here. So this was a pretty solid little run lower right there. during the opening range. So realistically, I don't know who was in my Yep, looking at the chart, there's a stair pattern, waiting for it to break structure. Still learning, bro. Glad I found your channel. Appreciate you, bro. Appreciate you. You can join my Discord. I'll drop the link here after I'm done trading if you're still around. But I'll drop the link and then you can join that up, and then go from there. This is a nice setup, nice trade right there. But I want to wait until 10, or I don't even gotta wait till 10. Matter of fact, we'll see. See how they use this gap here. Because we tapped into it here once and then traded higher. You're doing the macro, so it will deliver higher, I believe personally. But I didn't take this entry here. I think I might have to. Yeah, for sure, man. Thanks. Yeah, no problem. No problem. So we'll see. We'll see, chat. We're not in a rush. See how this gap, see how this closes here. We will see, chat, what they want to do with this. Got this changing thing on the 1 minute. Still didn't come into the first value gap like I expected. I'm not gonna lie. So we'll see. All right, I went on this 1 hour candle close. 1 hour candle closes. Hopefully, we can get like an immediate rebalance there. We can get an immediate rebalance on the 1 hour. I'm gonna the immediate rebalance would be at the 8 a.m. candle, that high. So the wick at 19,683 flat. This wick here, the very high of it. That'll be pretty decent. So we'll see. We'll see what they want to do with the chat. We don't want to be a little bit patient. Because we did take the buy side, so even though this is my draw on liquidity here for the week, they still could bring this lower. Because this is kind of like at 9:30 we had this up move inside this 1 hour while taking the buy side, so gotta watch out for that. I want to see how this reacts here. Tap into that gap twice, one time, two times. I'm going long here. Want to see it stay in the. How is it moving on? Is this like lagged or something? Immediate rebalance. There. Let's see. I'm glad I didn't take that long. Yeah, they may want to bring it here first. Inversion for value gap. That's a 1-to-1, but that's not good enough. It would need to come back and do immediate rebalance for me to take this. Mm-hmm. I think this is the draw for right now. If I would have took the trade here, I would took something off right here. Yeah, right here. I don't know if you guys remember, I did say they may want to bring it back down here. That's why when I seen on the 1 hour, it was heavy. The immediate rebalance was here, but it was heavy. It happened too quick. It was quick, so that's why I didn't take the long. I waited till after. I mean, I waited till. That's why I waited for the most part. I didn't want to get long right here just yet. If this is going to act as an inversion, so we'll see. Only because of this, I'm just looking at this run at 9:30, and it just seems like everybody obviously wants the market to go higher, right? We've been going short for a long time. Good progress, brother. I appreciate this. Appreciate this. Appreciate you, bro. I appreciate you for stopping by. I appreciate that a lot, man. But this just looks like fake to me. When I look at this at 9:30, this is just everybody's chasing this going long. I just think it's fake, a fake run. But we'll see. Want to see what happens here. Then I want to see my model start to form, start to play out. Sweep, then a change in the state. Then we could target maybe these highs, or we'll see what they want to do with price. If that does end up playing out, we got us. Excuse me, my bad, chat. Technically, since we're inside this 5-minute gap, it wouldn't be bad taking a long here. It would not be bad taking a long here, because we also got this turtle. We got this run on stops. This is kind of like a turtle soup entry. I guess you take the entry here. That's like a turtle soup, and you target. Target whatever you want to target. But if I'm bullish, if I think price is gonna go higher, this is technically like a turtle soup entry. We also got this order block supporting that idea. So we'll see. Still think they bring it here though. I still think they bring it here. But we'll see. If my model plays out, then obviously they don't bring it there. So I'm not gonna take the short. I would have took this short here, but I'm bullish for the most part, so I don't really want to be trading against, the higher time frame on a Monday at least. I don't mind counter trend trading, but on a Monday, try to get on board. So let me look at the 30-second, make sure I ain't missing out on nothing, because on a 30-second we got that. Got the breaker there. I'm gonna add 2 here. Want to wait till this candle closes maybe, then add 2 there. Got the change in the state of delivery there. I should have added it right there at that candle, but it's okay. We can get a we may can get a close proximity entry, but here at that 30-second, that's where I should have took the position. But we're not chipping, chat. We'll see. Being extra patient, chat.
Order filled.
Just do that small. 2 contracts, all we're gonna use today. Looking at this as an inversion, so we'll see. Looking at this as an inversion, I want to see price go higher from here. Put my stop under that low there. My entry was at 19,768. I want to see, we got to get through this gap. If we don't get through this gap, then let me actually mark this out, because I got this as an I want to consider this as an inversion. I may have went just a little too early on it. We good though. We'll see. So if it's gonna fall, it needs to fall now, like fall heavy now. We already been inside the gap. That's why. We'll see though, chat. My entry was right at that candles here, stop there. That's a 2-to-1 right there. Think we get up there today, chat? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take off 1 here. So what I'm gonna do is limit, isn't it limit sell, right? Yeah, limit sell 1. If it can continue to get up there, take off 1 there, and then we'll try to let the rest ride to this first, that 194350 level. But I'm gonna look at the 30-second, make sure, you know, I'm reducing stop. We got that swing low there. We closed above, so ideally price shouldn't come back to the lower quadrant of this gap. I mean, lower quadrant. I don't want to see that happen. If it does, then I'm just wrong, and price probably will continue lower. But we made a swing. We made another swing low. So we got these swing lows, this swing low. Price closes above the inversion. We make this swing low. So let's see, chat. reducing risk, and properly managing the trade like this. So let's see. Ideally, price should stay in the upper portion, just like that. It should stay in that upper portion. We do got that small little gap right there. It traded inside. So price breaks these highs, then I can move my stops to break even. We gotta get above this high here though, first chat. If we don't, we just lose 55 on the day. Immediate rebalance instantly there. So I want to see price get heavy and start expanding higher. We almost there. Also want to be making sure that ES doesn't take any highs. So on the 5 minute, if we can close above this high, that'll be nice. These consecutive down close candles, that would be extremely nice. I would want to see that happen. So let's see if we can get that done. But if not, we still good. Still think it could go higher. We got equal highs there. Want to make sure on ES we didn't take out there's no SMTs or an ES or anything like that. So we got an SMT on ES, right, chat? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go stops. I'm going to go stops break even. And I'm going to take off one now.
Order filled.
Take off one now. And then, like I said, it really shouldn't come back here. We already did it once. It shouldn't need to. It should continue to expand higher. And then we'll just take profit whenever, the P&L is pretty decent, We made those equal highs. ES is moving, bro. ES is moving. I hope this is enough space for my TP. Let me zoom in. Yeah, that should be good right there. That should be good. If it wants to go higher, it's gonna deliver. We also got this here. Looking at this gap here, looking at these gaps here. So we'll see. Make sure on the 5 minute we're not retracing into any. We had a 5 minute immediate rebalance there. Immediate rebalance with that candle there. So hopefully we can start trading above here soon. It's better if we don't even tap into this gap. If we don't tap into this gap, it's even better, in my opinion. Just like that. If we can stay heavy, that'd be nice. But it could tap back in, so I want to make sure it doesn't take me out. So I'll do $1, like $2. That should be good. Maybe like $2, yeah, maybe. We'll see if that's enough room. If price does want to go higher. Plus, I already took profit on the day, so I guess it wouldn't hurt. But we'll see. We didn't create a wick right there. So, I mean, this can mean two things. We didn't create a wick, right? We didn't create a wick. So price can easily just, the next candle or this candle we is gonna hit my entry, or we continue higher. This is a sign that we're bullish. We don't tap into this and we continue higher. So them the only two scenarios left after this candle right here. So we'll wait and see. Still pretty early throughout the day too, so.
Order filled.
All right, just like that. We'll take that and keep looking. We'll keep looking. Take a screenshot of this really quick. So we came back into the midpoint of it. Maybe my stop should have been just a little under. I know that too. Maybe just a little bit under. But I didn't really want to lose none on the trade, so it's all right. We'll see, chat. Give it a little time. Immediate rebalance, so they could want to bring it higher. But we also got this sweep right here, chat. Now, right? We got this sweep, chat, here. We got that sweep. We have these consecutive down close candles, right? So if price does want to, if I am going to take this trade again, if I'm going to go long, I want to wait. I'm going to wait until price breaks above this, closes above it, and then I'll add a position, and then let me see something. There, that'll be a one. But I think we can go higher, like I said, and maybe target that for today. So we'll see. Like I said, I still think we go long, but we'll see. Took me out just early, so entry was at this candle here. Price came back. So I gotta allow for that retracement. I have to allow for that, especially the conditions we're still in. We're still in like that lower end of that range in the discount. So I have to allow for this to happen, to take place. I see a swing low right there. I gotta be just a little bit more patient. Immediate rebalance there. What I'm gonna do is, chat, I think I'm gonna take one now. I know I said I was gonna wait. I wanna take one now and go from there. Just like that.
Order filled. Order filled.
.30 I think that's a swing low. Yeah, so that's a 30-second swing low there. I think they bring it up here. I think we get here today, chat. So we'll see. Ideally, we shouldn't come, like I said, if I'm wrong, I'm wrong. We shouldn't come in the lower quadrant of this gap here. So my stop can go here, but I'm giving it some breathing room just in case it wants to wick. But ideally, yeah, we should bring it here. We didn't close below these consecutive down close candles. Still holding price, they're still acting as support. So then we got the equal highs here on ES. We on ES we got equal highs above as well. So we're gonna see chat. If this doesn't work out, then we just done for today and we'll come back maybe like Wednesday or something. Yeah, I don't want to see it come back past that. So if I'm wrong, I'm wrong. So I'm sitting here thinking about this setup I just took, right, chat? I'm still, like I said, I'm a pretty decent trader, but I'm still learning myself, you know. But looking at this setup, right, chat? The quality of the setup isn't bad. It's not bad. Like, yeah, we got all these things, you know, saying we want to go hard. So the quality of the setup isn't bad. It's okay, but the probability of the setup, I would say, is just not it. So, to be honest, I don't even care if it goes higher. I'm gonna just take
Order
that, bro.
filled.
I'm gonna take that, and I'm gonna call it a day because I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it, and there's no point in me taking a loss. You feel me? I don't like it. I don't like it, bro. So there's no point in me staying in this trade. So today is a break even day. Yeah, today's a break even day for me. I'm gonna call it a day maybe. ES took the internal high there. Okay, I see it. It's too late though. It's too late. The entry's already too late. I won't be able to get nothing that yield me a setup to come here most likely. Unless they want to bring price to this low. But it's already kind of too late. Unless if I were to get like an immediate rebalance, short, target that there. I mean, I don't want that 1 to 3 one. This would have been better. That immediate rebalance there at the for a 2 to 12. Even if it comes inside. Let me look on the 30-second. This would be a breakaway gap, basically, if price doesn't trade into that. This because it already invalidated this being an inversion because I don't want to see it trade higher. So we'll wait, chat. I'm not in a rush. I want to get a good size. I want to get a proper entry so I can have a proper stop. So like on a 30-second, maybe we get something like this. there, target those lows. That's a 2-to-1, but we would have to come back into this gap before taking out the lows. If not, then it is what it is. We will see, chat, what they do for us. On ES, do we take out the lows? Nope. ES, we didn't take them out yet. So if NQ can give us a solid retracement, a pretty solid retracement, that'll be decent. 1-7, that's not bad either. We also do got look on the 1 minute. We got the first fair value gap right here as well. So price has to give me a solid entry before I would if I'm willing to take this short. Price needs to come back up at least to here. If not, then it is what it is. And it looks like we took that low. So yeah, target data wick. Yeah, it looks like we took that low already. So first value gap, probably the next draw. So we're just gonna call it a day, chat. I'm not gonna take any more trades. I didn't like it. I knew this wasn't gonna play out. The way it was going up all slow, and then we took out the high on ES, but we didn't take it out on NQ. Instantly killed the trade. There's no point in me sitting there allowing myself to take the loss. But ideally, this is what I should have aimed for after closing the trade. But it happened so quick, chat. You see, it happens extremely quick. These markets are volatile now. So like I was bullish. You see, they tap into the order block once more, and we take out the lows. So this was the play for the day. I just try my best to stick with the higher time frame bias, so that's all we can do. But I kind of have like a mixed perception on the type shit. Cause I thought on this run lower we were gonna bring it lower, but you see we got the run on stops, turtle soup, and I thought this inversion value gap was gonna hold, but you see we came back into a 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we had I'm like, oh, I don't trust this. I didn't trust that at all. So it's 10:31. Took another short. Great play, bro. Yep, good shit, bro. You manage your risk properly. Yeah, I appreciate that. Appreciate that a lot. So for me at least, chat, this was the trade for me at least. So I'm not looking to take any more trades at all. Like I said, I'm only about 900 away from passing. I was about 400. Okay, here, I'll drop it for you. I was about 400, but I took a loss on Friday. First loss of the month. So now I'm at about 900, but that's really nothing. So we chilling today, chat. We chilling. We most likely won't trade tomorrow. There ain't no news, so we'll just be patient. And FOMC's Wednesday, so we won't be trading Wednesday either. So the next time I'll probably see you guys is probably maybe Thursday or Friday. Thursday and Friday. Thursday and Friday, chat. Let me I'm dropping the link for you right now, bro. Give me 1 second. There we go. There you go, bro. So yeah, I'm glad I closed the trade when I did. I know back then, I mean, I ain't gonna say back then, but usually I don't do that. Usually I do not do that. But like when the setup, like I said before I even closed it, I said the quality of the setup isn't bad. The quality of the setup's not bad because we swept the low. You know, you can look at these as Judah swings to the downside to take price higher. We're respecting the bullish fair value gap, and we got we got other higher time frame confluences as well. But the probability of it playing out, it just wasn't it. Like, look at what's going on. Look at what's going on. Look at this price action right here. You see how it gets super after 10 o'clock. Really after that 9:30 mark, 9:45, it just gets super ugly. You know, if you're looking at this, we don't know where price wants to go. We don't know what it wants to do. It could drop lower or go higher. We got this 15-minute bullish fair value gap. We got this order block. We didn't break past the low yet, so it could trade higher, but it could invalidate all of these PDRAs and trade lower and take out these lows. So we wouldn't know, chat. That's why I was saying probability of this trade isn't that good for me. There ain't no point in me staying in this trade and allow myself to take the loss. No point at all. So no point at all. So this kind of held up as well. We traded outside the lines. It can do that though. It can trade outside the lines, I guess. This is volatile, so I guess is what's most important is because I had this gap initiated right there. I had that gap. I guess what's most important is looking at the consequent encroachment and seeing what's really going on. So taking a deeper dive into it, I'll get rid of that line, and this line. I'll even get rid of that gap there. Because at first I was looking at this as an inversion as well. We tapped into it here, then we had a change in the state of delivery. So I'm like, okay, this can act as an inversion, maybe to target this here. So I thought on this run we were gonna do that, but we didn't do that. On a 30-second, we had a change in the state of delivery. We had a market structure shift here, and we had this gap here. And I was anticipating this as another inversion to take price higher. As you can see, we used it here. We traded into this gap too many times for this to want to go lower at this specific moment in time or point in time. You feel me? So that's why I took the long here. And yeah, bro. Yeah, ES. Let me see. Yeah. You just take it, but I'll make sure to journal this up really quick. Order block. Bearish order block. And just journal that up real quick. Do this real quick. There we go. That's how we get better, chat. You feel me? No losses on the day, but you know. Bam. We just hit the open range gap, consequent encroachment. So that plays a factor as well. But this is really the move right there at the order block. After seeing price didn't take that high. We didn't create an SMT really, but if you go to like the lower time frame, we kind of did like take some highs. So this high, it don't really look that clean, to be honest. But you know, model was there. As you can see, we got this here gap here. We got the inversion here. So even if I didn't get the entry here, it was kind of still too late for me to take the trade. Could have took it anywhere inside this gap. So maybe like here. No, not there. That's too. That's too low. Well, it depends where my stop would be. 30 seconds. Yeah, my stop would have been here. After seeing this was it, but it was already kind of gone when I was looking at this. Already kind of gone. I would be careful though. Definitely be careful with this. But yeah, this would have been like the ideal, and this would probably have been like the best entry of the day, or one of the best entries, one of them at least. Inside the gap here. After seeing price then trade back into it, be close below it. Price comes back, immediate rebalance right there. But to get the best entry for the best reward, that'd be nice. On a 30 second, we swept this low. We had a change in the state of delivery here. We didn't tap back into the break or anything yet, but well, we kind of after we did with this candle right here. If you want to consider maybe this high or this high, but we do got this huge inefficiency right here, chat. So it could drop from here, or it can act as an inversion, but we don't know. You wouldn't know. But that'll be it for the day, chat. We just gonna walk away. You feel me? We're gonna walk away. Plenty of trades in the future. We don't gotta take a trade today. We already took 2. So that'll be it, man. That'll be it. I'll see you guys. If I do decide to trade during like a PM session type vibe, or like a most likely won't trade an Asia session. Asia session been clean lately, but I most likely won't trade one. But like a PM session type vibe, I would definitely start a stream up for you guys, and you feel me, we can watch me catch some decent trades or watch me lose some trades, and we just get better. So that'll be it for the day, man. That'll be it. We tried the longs, didn't work out. Shorts were kind of like in, they were kind of in, but it just wasn't, you know, just didn't look too good. The probability of, you know, these things playing out just didn't look the best. But around 10:30, I guess after seeing, so we don't have, you see here, we don't got to change in the step delivery, but we have it here. So this is, seeing this is what's most important, in my opinion. Changing the state here, we have a market structure shift here. So seeing this is what's most important, especially while being inside this gap here. All this happened inside this bullish fair value gap that we deemed as an inversion. So this right here was the entry right here. This right here with the entry. So make sure I get better and come back stronger.